Want to learn more about affiliate marketing? Read this. You don't have to have your own product to make money on the internet. With affiliate marketing, you can simply choose the products you are already familiar with and like, and find out if their companies have affiliate programs. Alternately, you can look for affiliate marketing companies that provide products for affiliates to present. Either way, by carefully following the tips presented here, you can earn some nice money online with affiliate marketing. If you want to make some decent money, look for a program that actually helps you make sales. Join a program that offers resources to help you present the product and convince your customers. A good affiliate program should also offer a kind of crash course about effective sales techniques. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. Examining an affiliate's sales conversion ratio can tell a webmaster whether or not the affiliate is worth working with. This is the percentage of visitors to the affiliate's website that become paying customers. Affiliates that cannot manage to make sales to even 1% of their visitors are not performing strongly enough to incorporate into a successful affiliate marketing network. Remember, it can take a long time to become successful at affiliate marketing. You won't set the world on fire the first day, or week, or even month. You may need several months to get everything organized and really start making good connections and commissions. Keep trying. If you try, you could do well. If you quit, you definitely will not do well. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.